twacemania na Ujete Kariuki wa Ndwati negukorwo ngitika na fara wa ndudu ya Minister Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi niekinyiririe bata wa gukorwo thirikari ikiroreria mitaratara ya uthii wa Nambere guku bururi-ini. Mudavadi aheanite ndomereri ino ari thukuru-ini wa Kenya School of Government guku hari mwena wa Gicũa-ini na makiria kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria thiete Nambere na kuga ati hari bata wa bururi kuhuthira uthii wa Nambere na makiria itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati no wakorwo kigunika kumana na mitaratara itiganite ile ikoragwo ikionekana.
Musalia Mudavadi, Governor Mombasa, Honorable Musalia.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to propose some recommendations to address the issues at hand during our deliberations. 1, enhanced coordination. We must foster greater collaboration and coordination among regulatory authorities, coherence, reduction of redundancies, and facilitation of information sharing. Secondly, capacity building. Investing in the capacity building of the regulatory personnel is paramount. Continuous training programs, knowledge sharing initiatives, and exposure to best practices from around the globe to empower our regulatory workforce to navigate complex regulatory landscapes with confidence and competence. Third, regulatory reform. Agencies ought to embrace regulatory reform initiatives to streamline processes, reduce regulatory burdens, and promote regulatory efficiency. Fourth, embracing technology. Leveraging technological advancements such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and big data analytics to enhance regulatory oversight, enforcement, and compliance monitoring. Fifth, stakeholder engagement. Fostering meaningful engagement with industry stakeholders, civil society organizations, academia, and the public at large.
We want them to read again and again the laws and regulations that gives them power and authority to oversight respective sectors. We want to encourage them to wait less on instruction and implement more on what the law is telling them, so that we have equity, we have fairness, we have accountability, and we have objectivity when it comes to service delivery.
Aya, tugithina mbere ni ati muikarigiti wa ruhonge rwa marigitari guku bururi na makiria kuma mwena wa Nyanza mundu wikaine ta Onyango Donga nethite na mbere na ukomithia miario iriga kurekererio ni governor wa county ya Githumo Nyong'o iguru rigie kurugamio kwa marigitari ari hamonekanite gukorwo makiregana kana makirega gucokereria wira-ini maya mokite riri marigitari aingĩ na makiria thibitari-inĩ cia mũingĩ monekanĩte gũthiĩ na mbere na kũrũmia mĩto yao na kuga matigũcokereria wĩra-inĩ wao na hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017 ĩgakorwo ĩgĩkinyanĩrio. Maya magĩthiaga na mbere thirikari kũgerera mwandĩki mũkaru ũrĩa wĩkaine ta kana ũrĩa wĩkaine ta Kosgei nethite na mbere na kuga ati riu no makorwo makiaranĩria na rũhonge rwa marigitari gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ angĩkorwo marigitari nĩ megũtirĩra nĩ macokereria wĩra-inĩ wao noguo ngirimiti yao ĩgũkĩiguĩka. Davjetela agĩkinyĩrĩria atĩ gũtirĩ hĩndĩ megũcokereria wĩra-inĩ nginyanagia ngirimiti ĩno ĩkorwo ĩgĩkinyanĩrio.
Today morning we received a communication from the governor of Kisumu instructing his public service to withdraw pay or the doctors working in Kisumu County from the payroll. We want to condemn this with the strongest terms possible. The right to strike for 60 years have been recognized by ILO as a way of dispute resolution, and our Constitution, Article 41, recognizes the right to go on strike by the workers as one of the activities that the unions participate in, and therefore This does not hinder our resolve. This does not dampen our spirit to fight for what is rightfully ours. We want to thank Kenyans who, despite the very difficult times, they have supported us. And we want to tell the government that time has come when the right things must be done. When we append signatures to agreements, we must follow through, and we must make sure that these agreements are honored. And this includes court orders. For Kisumu County, we appreciate that the governor has tried to reach out to the doctors. Unfortunately, the situation we find ourselves in is a situation that has been occasioned by the national government failure to honor a CBA that we signed in 2017. And therefore, until the government honors that CBA 2017, this strike continues to take its course, its natural course, and it will only come to an end when both parties, that is KMPDU and the governments, the national government and all the 47 governments, sit down and agree.
Utuku wa gukia umuthi andu eri ni makuire kana ni makuite kumanagia na mutino moru wa barabara kaunti-ini ya Githii. Kurerikana ati mutino uyu kurwanirie ngari imwe na makiria ngari nini iria kurerikana ati yuma na andu atatu. Ukirikana ati ndereba wa ngari ino akuire hau kumanagia na mutino uyu. Riri ucio ungi akuire agitwarwo thibitari-ini itemi-ini riake gukorwo akiamukira urigitani makiria. Kuringana na andu aria meyoneire mutino uyu ni matariria ati kwerekanite ati atatu aya maya gukorwo maumari ukuna ati ni kuma na shufa cia njohi ngari-ini iyo, undu uria maruga ati waya gukorwo ni gucungireirie mutino uyu.
Karibu mwendo wa saa 9, saa 10 kulitokea ajali ambayo ilikuwa gari ndogo, ilikuwa KCC, ambapo kutoka stage ya Mgonga karibu mita 200 mahali ambapo tuna hoteli ambayo inaitwa Devon Hotel. Hii gari ilipata ajali ambayo ilikuwa mbaya na ilisha kabisa, na wakati ilifika 200 meters kutoka kwa stage, watu ni kama walikuwa walevi kwa sababu chupa za pombe zilikuwepo. Hii gari ilipofika, nadhania kwamba walikuwa wamefunga vioo. Ule mvuke ulikuwa umefunga the windscreen ya mbele, ikasababisha kutoona vizuri. Ikafikia kiwango ambacho hiyo gari ilifly off, ikagonga caravat, mwishowe ikavuka, ikagonga signboard ya Devon Hotel. Alafu kaisha kabisa mpaka mmoja wao akapoteza maisha. Alipopoteza maisha na mwingine naye akaumia, msichana aliyekuwa ndani yeye alitoka bila kuumia. Kuchukuliwa hospitali. Gari ilivutwa ikaenda kwa station ya Ugembo.
Na watu walikuwa wanapiga makelele wasaidiwe. Na hiyo gari ilikuwa hali mbaya juu tulijaribu kufungua milango ikakataa, tukatafuta soka, tukakata hiyo milango, tukawatoa ndani, ndio wakapelekwa hospitali. Mmoja alikufia hapa.
Mwenye alikuwa hali mbaya tulimchukua mpaka hospitali ambaye ni Denmark. Tulipofika pale alikuwa in worst condition, so hawakuwa na mashine ya scanning, so walitulifaa tumpeleke Krismalian. So in the process ya kumchukua Krismalian, hapo ndio watu wao waliingilia ndani. Sasa tulipanda over, tukawachia wenyewe wakamchukua Krismalian.
Haya, tugithi na mbere ni ati ruhonge rwa gutetera arimu guku bururi-ini KUPPET hamwe na kamiti ya wandikani wa arimu TSC ni marikitie gwikiranira ngirimiti kwambatiria ngathi na makiria arimu 30,000 aria makoretwo matekwambatirio ngathi gwa kahinda ka miaka 7. Gukiri uguo ni mathiite na mbere na kuga ati ni megetete kana ni mehariirie kurekereria mawira na ciringi bilioni 7.8 iria iguteithiriria arimu aria megukorwo kana arutani aria megukorwo makiingira githomo-ini kieru kia JSC.
The Commission has alleviated the KUPPET's concerns about the promotion of teachers not in the payroll. It presented the promotions data in the manner demanded by KUPPET and explained the remedy for 14 teachers who earned their promotions while not being in the payroll. The Commission also committed to immediately address the grievances of teachers who were converted from job group M to C5 and who have not earned any promotion since 2017. Also within this year, the Commission will seek an allocation of 1 billion for the promotion of 30,000 teachers who have stagnated. The priority group will be the current C4 and C5 grades who will move to C5 and D1 respectively in order to open opportunities for long-serving teachers still trapped in grade C3. KUPPET also petitioned the Commission to include junior secondary school teachers who are currently operating in the dark in the new guidelines. The Commission confirmed that they will take up the matter.
What the Commission needs to ask, and they promised, they have already asked the Parliament for them to employ the 20,000 teachers, is a total of 4 billion Kenya shillings. And then we have the 26,000 teachers who are supposed to be confirmed to PNP. That will cost the tune of 7.8 billion Kenya shillings. And that will be able to accommodate those two areas.
Aya, tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ makĩria ma arĩmi 17,000 kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a nĩmekũgunĩka na mũtaratara wa ũrĩmi wa mbembe kũrũmĩrĩra ngirimiti gatagatĩ ga thirikari ya kaunti na ene kĩganda kĩa mbembe na kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga. Thirikari ya kaunti nĩrĩkĩtie kũheana kandarathi kũrĩ arĩmi kuma wadi 35 na makĩria kũrĩa matanyĩtwo kũhanda mbembe mũigana wa kana mũigana wa mĩkebe 3,500 o gunia. Gavana wa Murang'a Irũngũ wa Kang'ata nĩugĩte atĩ marĩ na matanya ma gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩmagetha gunia 35,000 cia mbembe o igetha na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ene kĩganda kana nĩmakorwo makĩenderia kĩganda kĩu kumanagia na ngirimiti ĩyo.
Ũmũthĩ nĩ twandĩkanĩra ngirimiti gatagatĩ ka Murang'a County na kambuni ĩno ĩthondekaga mũtu wa kabaraga wĩtagwo Joy Millers ĩno ĩgũkũ Kirinyaga. Twĩgithanĩrie atĩ ithuĩ tũrĩheaga arĩmi aitũ mbembe cia kũhanda, fertilizer, nao magetha magatũhe ngũnia 2 tũkamagũrĩra tũkarehe gũkũ. Tũrĩgũraga 3,500 o ngũnia ya mbembe kuma kũrĩ cooperative ya tũgũthondeka ya atumia. Na of course ona athuri na maingĩre tondũ nĩo magĩtiranagia na atumia.
Ũmũthĩ kũrĩ tarĩki 11th mweri wa kana twĩngĩra in a partnership na county government ya Murang'a County kũnyitanĩra kwethera arĩmi thoko ya mbembe ciao. Koguo twarĩkanĩra from kuma mwaka mũku every season ya mbembe nĩ tũrĩgũraga ngunia 35,000 na to mobilize arĩmi 17,500 arĩa tũkũnyita moko tũmathomithie tũmerekerie ku make sure atĩ mbembe ĩrĩa tũroya nĩ meetĩte standard iria tuoyaga cia mbembe ketha tũtiga compromise quality ya mũtu witũ. Koguo nĩ tũkenete to be in a partnership ketha o tũkiuma kwetha mbembe tuka make sure that thoko itũ ya Kenya kana arĩmi itũ a Kenya onao nĩ marona thoko cia mbembe ciao.
Twĩgithanĩria quota itũ tũrĩmarĩhagĩra mĩhuko 35,000 bags o kĩmera. Ũguo nĩ kũmaanisha o wodi ya Murang'a tũrĩrogotaga ngonia 1,000 na wodi ciothe twacithondekera aggregation center harĩa andũ marĩtwaraga mbembe ciao kũndũ kwĩrĩ thĩinĩ wa wodi. Kwa mũhuano okorwo nĩ handũ ta Kariara twathondeka kũndũ kwĩrĩ, okorwo nĩ kũndũ ta Ithirũ kũndũ kwĩrĩ, okorwo nĩ kũndũ ta Kĩru kũndũ kwĩrĩ. Nĩ kuo arĩmi marĩrehaga mbembe ciao tũkoya tũgacirehe gũkũ.
Aya na gitio kinene mwirorerwa Muthingi TV tobe twikirie tugicokereria ni turahodoka na riboti makiria ndugetekere guthira mitambo.
Muciari wina mwana urikitie thukuru na mucie na no wende egire na ugi wa mathomo na wira wa moko murehe Hemlad Technical College Thika niguo athome kothi ta hair and beauty, fashion and dressmaking, catering and hotel management, electrical and electronics, plumbing, welding and mechanical engineering, international certificate of digital literacy neo ICDL, motor vehicle driving course ya AER na ige nyigi. Igeranio citu ni cia NEC, CASNEB, ICM, NITA, oro hamwe na TVET certification. Wihike intake ya April na May no irathie Nambere. Marihi maitu ni mafashirire. Ukautusherere hidi ya career week. Itari marihi kuma tariki 8 inya tariki 12 mweri wa ena. Tusherere Kigio Plaza, 4th floor, Kwame Nkrumah Street, Thika. Ahoro makiria hurire thimu namba neo 0708-507-380 kana 0723-470003. Hemlad College, your success is our concern.
Wigwatere set 102W GPS tracker omothe kuma Septa Empire na ukenerere tracking ya kuria gari yaku ndithikana itigarire mahinda-ini mothe kumenya kuria igereire gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 kuhoria engine yaku uri handu-ini hothe kugerera application yao hamwe na kumenyereria gari yaku yakio kana yahorio na marihi ma ciringi 4,500 tu ukareherwo setting ngima. GPS tracker ino ni iraigira gari mithemba-ini yothe matinga undu umwe na nduthi iria ingikorwo ikihũthĩra petrol ona kana thitima na no umihũthĩre kugerera rurenda kana application iria ũngĩgwatĩra thimũ-inĩ yaku ya Android kana iOS. Kimetie kugerera rurenda-inĩ rwao nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria kana umahũrĩre thimũ kugerera namba ciao nĩcio 0706867677 na umiamũkire hatarĩ marĩhi kugerera G4S ucoke ũheo mũtaaramu ũrĩa wĩ hakuhĩ nawe agwĩkĩrĩre na marĩhi ma ciringi 1,000. Septa Empire, the most reliable vehicle tracking company in Kenya.
Tukereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthi na mbere na kurumanira hamwe na ithuĩ. Mocarĩ ya thibitarĩ munene wa Rifaro gũkwarĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo rĩu nĩrĩkĩtie kũhingwo gwa kahinda ga ciumia 4 ciũkĩte nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ arĩa maranyita itemi na makĩria iria marĩkĩtie kũneo kandarathi ya kũmĩthondeka werũ arĩ hamwe na rũhonge rwa kambuni ya Achelis Kenya Limited nĩ makorwo magĩthondeka werũ ro hamwe na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ indo iria ihũthĩkaga harĩ gũtungatĩra andũ arĩa mahurũkĩte nĩ ciakorwo igĩtigĩrĩra nĩ ciakinyanĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Akĩaria hingo ya kũneana kandarathi kuri rũhonge rũrũ mũrũgamĩrĩri wa motungata ma ũrigitani Mohamed Abdi Buru nĩ ugĩte atĩ ũndũ ũyũ nĩ ũrĩkĩtie kũhĩtũkio nĩ igoti na gũkinyĩria rĩu nĩ marĩkĩtie gũthamia mĩĩrĩ 33 ya andũ arĩa marĩkĩtie kũhurũka nyũmba-inĩ ĩngĩ ya akuo.
It took that 3 weeks. We have also obtained court order for the disposal of the bodies. We have already disposed 33 bodies, and there are 2 remaining. And in case of any eventuality, while this work is in the process, we are going to have an agreement with the Meru County government, so that at least for the period of the contract, is ile mwili ambayo is originated from our hospital here, not body from outside. That's why we also want to emphasize kwa community wetu, to the police and everybody concerned, the hospital for this period will not accept body from outside.
On behalf of the board and the management of the hospital, mimi nasema tunatoa shukrani kwa hii mortuary kuwa modernized. Na nataka kusema ya kuwa county government imechukua hatua ambaye hii mortuary kwa muda mrefu sasa ilikuwa inahitajika ipatiwe yani facelift, na leo imekuwa reality.
This mortuary of ours is going to be completely, everything is going to be completely new. The old machines are going to be removed and completely replaced with the new ones.
We want to endeavor and commit to our standards as Achelis that we will deliver a state-of-the-art facility to Isiolo County.
We are expecting on the 7th week, that is from now, we will get the machines delivered here at our facility so that we do the installation on the 8 weeks.
Na wataramu wa maundu maria maturigicĩirie kuma gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Malindi gĩcũa-inĩ nĩ matabanĩtie kambĩini ya gũthomithia ciana bata wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ magacĩrithia marĩa maturigicĩirie. Kambĩini ĩno ĩtongoretio nĩ gĩkundi gĩa Progress Welfare Association kũrĩa mwena wa Malindi, na kĩrĩ na itanya rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ nĩ makorwo magĩkuũkwo na kũmenya bata wa gũthaitĩra marĩa maturigicĩirie kumanagia na ũcenjia wa rĩera ũrĩa wonekanĩte ũkorwo wabatĩrĩte na njĩra nene.
Funport, the linear economy, it's how we take it's called what? The wrappings which we buy potatoes from the vendor. Instead of throwing it or recycling the plastic bag, you either throw it into the environment, which makes it kind of dirty, and you kind of dirtify the environment. Thanks.
Usually use nets. Then when they catch quite a number of them, some escape. And maybe in the process of escaping, they could have been injured. So the one which has escaped maybe has got some injuries. Eventually.
Do you want to do post-mortem and find out what's inside?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, doctors, one of you. Create space. Okay. Do it. You can wash your hands. You pop it open.
Makiria ma atumia igana rimwe kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot nĩ makenete thutha thirikari ya kaunti o hamwe na rũhonge rwa ihoto cia andũ kũmahingũrĩra thoko ya kwendia indo ciao ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya gũtigĩrĩra nĩ mokeria ũboco wao wa o mũthenya.
Tangu hiyo mwaka mbili imepita, saa hii naona maisha ya economy iko inakuwa mzuri, si mbaya kama awali. Reason kwa sababu hao mama wameempower. So kwa hivyo tungeomba hata hao NGOs msidi kukaa hapa, msiondoke mapema mpaka waweze kujiweza kabisa. I think wale wengine saa hii wameanza kujisaidia, tuamshe wale wengine bado wako chini. Kielimu bado tuko chini kabisa, lakini tunaomba NGOs wetu wakaa pamoja na sisi ili tuase kuwasukuma kutoka manyumbani.
Na kwa hivyo tunataka tu kusimama na mashirika zingine zote kusema kwamba tunataka kupinga yale mambo ambayo ni negative katika community yetu ya West Pokot. Tunataka kutetea wamama ili waweze wainuke katika uongozi wa taifa na uongozi wa county hii, na pia wamama waweze kufanya biashara, waweze kuwa na pesa zao, wasiweze kutegemea wanaume peke yao.
Any party that will be going for election 2027, they must produce what they call a policy or their constitution, the party constitution, that there is a chapter inside that says if this gender are not there, if this gender are not represented, then that party is automatically disqualified to be registered. I think that is the only leeway that can allow this political sphere for women to get a chance.
Haya, Obunga FC niyo mareketie kana aria niyo manyitite ugeni mbĩtĩka cia Chapa Dimba mwena timu kuma bũrũri-inĩ akana kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Vihiga. Eboli Boys Obunga marahotanire kana marahotire kwĩmathĩra tigiti ũyũ thutha wao kũhũra aruna ao Alaisia FC kuma mwena wa Central bao 3-1.
Ya kesho semifinal na akishia tutachukua. Hapo nyuma defense communication yao ilikuwa mbaya, lakini tunatuongeleshe kesho tukikuja tunapiga win.
Nimefurahia jo, mimi kama captain inabidi nimepush team, game iko hard lakini ni God ametupush, tumetoka na win jo. Haijakuwa opponent tumecheza nao pia hawajakuwa rahisi, ni wase wenye wamejua ball pia. Sasa at least tumejigauge kwa hii game ya kwanza, at least wamefanya pia tukalan pia.
Kwa hiki leo nimefurahi sana kidogo because nilijua because my target was to go to the final. So tunatarajia I'm expecting tomorrow's match again to win. Game plan ilikuwa tu ni kucheza vizuri na kufunga. Najipanga vile vile kwa sababu nataka tu ushindi kwa semis in the finali.
Haya, macio mo mariko thĩinĩ ĩrĩa ĩrĩkũ ya mohoro mangĩ nona cihanda wega thaa ĩmwe na nĩcio hwainĩ Ngai agĩtũkinyanĩria mũthenya wa Monday thaa ĩmwe cia rũcinĩ nĩguo tũgacemania nawe haha rĩngĩ ũgĩe na wikendi njega mahinda mothe ni nawe twacemania na ũnjĩte Kariuki wa andũ atĩ nĩ ngwĩtĩka have a lovely